Expanding brackets. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What happens to the terms in brackets if we remove them? 2. What does expanding brackets mean? 3. How to expand brackets when a number multiplies an expression in brackets. 4. How to expand brackets when they are divided by a number or a non-zero variable. 5. How to apply the sign rule correctly. 6. How to expand two brackets multiplied together. 7. What to do when there are more than two brackets multiplied together. Introduction. In the previous tutorial, we discussed about the BEDMAS, or PEMDAS, rule, which is also applicable in algebraic expression. The first step when applying this rule is to deal with the part of expression inside the brackets. Therefore, brackets are widely used in arithmetic expressions and in algebraic ones as well. In this tutorial, we will learn how to expand brackets, i.e., how to obtain a final equivalent expression with no brackets involved if the original expression contains brackets. This process requires the proper use of division or multiplication operations, as well as the correct application of the sign rules. That is all for introduction to expanding brackets. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 6.2.1, how to remove the brackets from an algebraic expression when no operations are involved. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.